Okay, so in the last lesson we went over some modeling techniques using an image plane. We're just going to go over just a few real quick extra techniques that might help you out if you're doing something a little bit more organic. So getting into some furniture or different shapes, if you want to have something that's not quite as boxy. I'm going to change to a front view. This is kind of important. I'll just move it over from the lamp. I'm over here. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to go to Create, Curve Tools. And this is, if you've ever worked in Illustrator, this is a way of making weighted curves. And this can be used for some really advanced shapes, but I'm just going to show you something simple so you can get the gist of it. So if I go and I'm just going to say create a CV curve tool. And when I lay it out, I want to remember where my first point was that I created, and I want to lay these out like breadcrumbs. So maybe I'm making a more organic chair that I want to do very modern style. And I'm just going to start, and I left mouse click, and I can just, well, I'm holding down my left mouse button, I can get it nice, really straighten the line out. It won't let it go, it won't drop it until I let go of the mouse button. So I'm going to click down another one here. And what I'm basically doing is laying out these kind of breadcrumbs for the shape that I want. And then when I want to have something happen that's going to have more detail, I'll lay down more points. So something like this. Now I'm going to clean this up, so I press Enter once that's done. So that was the CV Create Curves tool, CV Curve tool, and I just click and drag. And to get back into those points, I'm actually going to go to Control Vertex. And then I can grab these points. So I'm going to turn off my soft select. And you can see I can actually manipulate. So now I can get that edge a lot smoother. Say, you know what, I want to lift these up a bit. So I'll do that. And basically sculpt it into the shape that you want. So I can work on that and get that a nice sort of a soft shape to it. Nice platform here. That's pulled out there. That looks good. So now go into object mode. Now I'm going to create, I'm going to create whatever it is I want to go across this. So I'm going to choose a cube. I'm going to go Create, Polygon Primitives, Cube. And I'm going to bring this little cube to where I originally started this curve. And I'm going to bring it right to that. You know what? Make sure you're in front view, because it'll make it a little bit easier. And I'm going to bring it so it's basically it's going to face right where that is. I'm going to keep it that thickness. That's okay.